At large. Jeez, holy cow. You see that? Now you would never see that. Go check that out. Check it out. Who wants to check it out? I want to check it out. Let's check it out. You don't even know what I'm talking about. So let's check it out. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Wow, it goes all the way back there. Do you see that? You ever know trees do this? Those are the branches. These are the branches from the tree. Do you see this? There's a tree over there that you can stick the phone into with one hand and videotape the inside of it. We never knew this one was here. Wow.